big breaking news which is coming in, a fresh twist in Sansad Sangram. BJP MP Anurag Thakur has made a shocking claim. Anurag Thakur claims that TMC MP has been smoking e-cigarettes inside the parliament. He said that this has been happening since the past few days. BJP MP has also asked Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to order an inquiry immediately, to which the Speaker has responded, saying that they must follow parliamentary traditions and parliamentary rules. If such a matter comes before him, then action will be taken. Let's listen in to the allegations of Anurag Thakur, what he had to say.
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है, क्या सदन में आपने अलाउ कर दी है?
नहीं, कोई माननीय सदस्य को कोई भी
सर टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर टीएमसी के सांसद सर कई दिनों से लगातार बैठ के पी रहे हैं सर।
कोई भी माननीय
टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर चेक कर, नहीं सर आप चेक करवाइए सर।
एक मिनट व्यवस्था
सर, सदन में अगर सिगरेट पीना अलाउ कर दिया है,
एक मिनट प्लीज। मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, हमें संसदीय परंपराओं और संसदीय नियमों का अनुपालन करना चाहिए। कोई भी माननीय सदस्य कभी भी ऐसा कोई विषय मेरे पास आएगा तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर मैं निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Well, let me go across to Niyamika, who's joining us with all the details from the parliament. Niyamika, who is this TMC MP that Anurag Thakur says has been smoking banned e-cigarettes inside the parliament?
Well, the BJP MP Anurag Thakur has not named anyone, but he has just mentioned that the member of parliament from Trinamool Congress he has accused him of smoking an e-cigarette inside the Lok Sabha premises, as he has also urged the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to take a note of this entire violation, as Anurag Thakur has asked the chair that this house is already knows that the e-cigarettes have been banned in the country, but there are several people from Trinamool Congress who has been continuously smoking the e-cigarettes for days inside the Lok Sabha. Birla has also, the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has also responded firmly that there is no such rule or precedent that allows any member of parliament to smoke inside the house, and he has also gone on to say that if any such incident is brought to his knowledge with clarity and appropriate action will be taken against any individual who violates this kind of a rule within the Lok Sabha premises.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us, Niyamika. Let's listen in once again to the allegation which has been made by Anurag Thakur, to which the Speaker says that if there is any violation of the rules and norms of the parliament, then action will be taken. Listen in.
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है, क्या सदन में आपने अलाउ कर दी है?
नहीं, कोई माननीय सदस्य को कोई भी
सर टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर टीएमसी के सांसद सर कई दिनों से लगातार बैठ के पी रहे हैं सर।
कोई भी माननीय
टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर चेक कर, नहीं सर आप चेक करवाइए सर।
एक मिनट व्यवस्था
सर, सदन में अगर सिगरेट पीना अलाउ कर दिया है,
एक मिनट प्लीज। मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, हमें संसदीय परंपराओं और संसदीय नियमों का अनुपालन करना चाहिए। कोई भी माननीय सदस्य कभी भी ऐसा कोई विषय मेरे पास आएगा तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर मैं निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Just heard how Anurag Thakur made that allegation that TMC ke Sansad, that could be in plural also, that they have been smoking e-cigarettes. Now remember, e-cigarettes are banned in India. Then how are e-cigarettes being smoked inside the parliament? That's the question. Let me go across to Pragya. Pragya, and I was asking Niyamika as well, the big question is, who are these TMC MPs who are allegedly smoking banned e-cigarettes inside the parliament? And more importantly, what next? Will the Speaker act? Is there an official complaint?
Absolutely, this has been spoken on the floor of the House, Meghna, and in fact, this is a very serious issue. As you rightly said, e-cigarettes are banned in India, and in fact, you cannot even be seen smoking it. And the fact is that you're smoking them inside the Parliament premises, where MPs are supposed to lead by example. And here is a case where you are violating all the rules that are implemented in the country. And this is exactly the reason why Mr. Anurag Thakur spoke about this, in fact, on the floor of the House, to which Speaker said that he is going to look into the matter and there will be an investigation over it. It certainly means that the said MP is going to land into trouble, that he'll be sued. But as I said, that there is going to be an official inquiry into this and also a complaint. It is a suo motu complaint, we can say, because this has been spoken on the floor of the House. This is a complaint which has been said on the floor of the House, and thereby action will be taken. But the fact is that these MPs, when they speak about laws and violations, they should also be knowingly not doing it, especially in the parliament, which is the temple of democracy. And more than that, I would say that MPs are supposed to lead by example, Meghna, and this is no example where you want your younger generation to emulate you. And this is why this become a very huge issue in the parliament today as well.
Well, in fact, it's going to be very interesting to see, are these lawmakers, are they lawbreakers who are sitting in the parliament, if this allegation by Anurag Thakur is real? Pragya, stay with us. I'll just come back with you and I'll ask you, what are the precise norms, rules which one must abide by when they're inside the parliament? What are the rules that the parliamentarians must abide by? But before that, I believe Rashad Dalvi ji is joining us of the Congress Party. Rashad Dalvi ji, your first reaction. Smoking, not just smoking, smoking e-cigarettes which are banned in India. If the allegation is true, TMC MPs have done it inside the parliament.
You know, if anybody is doing it within the premises of parliament, then it makes no objectionable thing. But everybody should have respect of the house. I mean, whether it is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Houses are different thing. Premises is a different thing. And who is demanding? A member of parliament from BJP. You are the government. Why are you demanding?
It's not just about smoking, Rashad Dalvi ji. It is about smoking an e-cigarette which has been banned in India since 2019.
It is all right, but who is asking this?
It's Anurag Thakur who is a parliamentarian.
It is member of parliament from Bharatiya Janata Party. So you are the government. Why are you demanding? Government should ban it.
The government has banned e-cigarettes, Rashad Dalvi ji. The government has already banned it. In 2019, India has banned e-cigarettes. They are not permitted in India. But isn't it ironical where the lawmakers, because we are just the common man, we are sitting here and thinking the lawmakers who are sitting and making laws in the parliament are the ones who are breaking the laws.
Listen to me. I am told that he is demanding. If anybody has broken the law, action should be taken. You are the government.
Okay, so
Why
action should be taken if anyone was found smoking e-cigarettes inside the parliament. You'd agree with that?
Definitely. I agree. Everybody should have respect for the parliament, houses, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha.
But isn't it ironic, Rashad Dalvi ji, those people who talk about the constitution, those people who talk about the parliament, respect of the parliament, like your alliance partners, the TMC, they are now breaking laws themselves inside the parliament.
Madam, problem is you always raise questions against the opposition. You never ask any question from the government.
I will ask questions of the opposition to you. When I have to question the BJP, I'm not going to question the Congress over the BJP, Rashad Dalvi ji. I cannot ask the BJP to respond on the Congress. What Congress does, its alliance partners does. The same way BJP, you will not respond to what BJP has said.
Alliance partner doesn't mean that if they are doing anything, so Congress party is responsible. We have electoral alliance. We are together.
Alliance partners, Rashad Dalvi ji, you are a former parliamentarian. आपको पता है how it works in the parliament, the respect that is expected, demanded of the legislators.
And again, I am saying that everybody should have respect for the parliament. I am not denying it.
Okay, thank you so much, Rashad Dalvi ji of the Congress Party. He's saying that take action if anyone's found guilty. But when he was asked specifically about law makers breaking the law, he says that just because they are alliance partners with the Congress doesn't mean Congress is going to be held responsible for TMC's actions, slightly distancing themselves away. Well, Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP's national spokesperson also joining us. Pradeep, what do you make of the Congress saying, well, you can't hold us responsible if our alliance partner is smoking banned substances? And this is a banned thing because e-cigarettes have been banned in 2019 in India. If it's banned, but don't hold us responsible.
Well, this is a crime as per the Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003, where no parliamentarian is allowed to smoke a cigarette or an e-cigarette inside the any government office or the parliament. Now, the Trinamool Congress MPs who are vocal on every second issue should answer and should be open to an investigation, and they should come out and say that if one of their MPs is found guilty of committing this crime, the law should take its own course, because this is a complete disrespect of the parliament. Rahul Gandhi, who claims and tries to be the harbinger of democracy, should make a public statement that if such an act is being committed by any of the MPs of the alliance partner, then he would advise the chair to take the necessary action. The silence of the others is complicity, because they have the time to go to the chair to impeach a judge, but they are silent when it comes to one of their own breaking the rule of the parliament. And what is the precedent that they're trying to set in front of the people of this country from the temple of democracy?
Well, thank you so much, Pradeep, for joining us. In fact, let's listen in once again to what exactly it is that the allegation which has been made by Anurag Thakur of the BJP on the floor of the House, to which the Speaker says that, yes, we will look into it.
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है, क्या सदन में आपने अलाउ कर दी है?
नहीं, कोई माननीय सदस्य को कोई भी
सर, टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर टीएमसी के सांसद सर कई दिनों से लगातार बैठ के पी रहे हैं सर।
कोई भी माननीय
टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर चेक नहीं सर, आप चेक करवाइए सर।
एक मिनट व्यवस्था
सर, सदन में अगर सिगरेट पीना अलाउ कर दिया है,
एक मिनट प्लीज। मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, हमें संसदीय परंपराओं और संसदीय नियमों का अनुपालन करना चाहिए। कोई भी माननीय सदस्य कभी भी ऐसा कोई विषय मेरे पास आएगा तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर मैं निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
So why is it that as per the